Denmark's Social Democratic leader, Mette Frederiksen, has agreed to form a center-left coalition government, maintaining her grip on power amid a crisis in ties with U.S. President Donald Trump over the future of Greenland. The deal to form a minority cabinet gives Frederiksen a third consecutive term as prime minister, ending months of uncertainty after a March election in which 12 parties won seats in the Danish parliament.
Kære alle jer, der arbejder. Vi har skabt i fællesskab et håb om, at vi kan forandre Danmark, at vi kan forbedre Danmark. Det er en historisk stor sejr.
Mette, how does it feel to be able to form a new government? Mette, how does it feel to be able to form a new government?
Det går allerede hurtigt herhjemme. Det går for hurtigt nu. Og derfor intensiverer myndighederne indsatsen for at afbøde og forsinke smitten i Danmark.
Vi har to muligheder, to scenarier her i Danmark. Igennem sundhedsvæsenets normale kapacitet.
Og lad os komme i gang. Vi har nemlig 3 mennesker, der ikke er så vant til at tale foran folk, der kommer og snakker for jer her til at starte med.
Og kortsigtet tankegang, og det er ikke løsningen på problemerne i det her.
Som knap 1,5 million danskere allerede har protesteret og skrevet.
Så skal vi altså med. Væk.
Excuse me, please. Let them come inside.
That the United States is in negotiations to take Greenland.
And by the way, from all of our allies, Canada. Everybody asks us, do we think it's over? No, we don't think it's over. We now have a working group. It's good. We will try to see if we can find a solution, and you can rely on us. You can trust us. We will do whatever we can. But of course, there are red lines that will not be crossed, and we will stick to our strategy.
How are you? Good to see you. Yes. Okay, like this?
Yes.
Can I get to nothing in 5 minutes?
det står i øvrigt ikke i modsætning til at anerkende de mennesker, der bidrager og som har taget Danmark. Jeg er ærgerlig over, selvfølgelig er jeg ærgerlig over, at vi ikke fik flere stemmer. Jeg havde også håbet på et bedre resultat.